Hi guys, Todd from Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're going to go over the fact that vapor blasting makes cleaning quicker. We're going to do a tape test today where we take two different metals, run them through a dry blast cabinet and run them through a wet blast cabinet. We're going to put tape on it, peel the tape off and show the differences. Okay, we're back now. We've blasted this piece in our dry blast, this in the wet blast, and we're going to do the tape test. We'll start with our wet blast and then removing the tape. And now our dry blast, which by the way will not stick very well. So wet blasting is a more efficient way to clean. Dry blast leaves behind dust and dirt that still has to be cleaned off of the part once you're done. So that part's either going to have to be washed down, rinsed down, or something, adding an extra process than what wet blast can do. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.